If you're wasting hours scrolling through AliExpress trying to find winning dropshipping products, stop. I just found a platform that uses AI to pick winning products for you in literally 2 minutes. And here's the crazy part. It also gives you free video ads from suppliers so you don't have to film anything for TikTok or Instagram. I'm talking about Doba's new AI features: AI Picker, AI Listing Migration, AI Listing Optimizer, and more. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI Picker to find high-profit products that are trending right now. How AI Listing Migration lets you move products across stores with one click. How to get free video ads from the VideoHub so you can start selling immediately. And how to automate the entire fulfillment process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find winning products faster than 99% of dropshippers. So if you want to stop guessing and start using AI to build your dropshipping business, keep watching. Let's dive in. All right, so first, what is Doba? Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects you with over 1 million products from pre-vetted suppliers with US-based warehouses. That means fast shipping for your customers. No more waiting 30 days for products from China. But here's what makes Doba different from other platforms. Number 1, they have AI-powered product research tools that find winning products for you. Number 2, they give you free video ads from suppliers, so you don't have to create content. And number 3, everything is automated from product listing to order fulfillment. Doba works with Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, and even Temu. So no matter where you sell, you can connect your store. Now, let me show you the new AI features that are game changers for dropshippers. So click the link in my video description and you'll land on this page. Right here, you can see some impressive numbers. 3.2 million plus dropshippers chose Doba, $6.2 billion plus earned by our dropshippers, and top US-based inventory. Now, for trust and credibility, I actually checked the traffic of this dropshipping platform. You can see over 3 lakh users visit this platform monthly, and most of them are from the United States and China. That's awesome. All right, let's log in with Google. And here we are on the Doba main page where you can explore all kinds of winning products. You've got top-ranking products just like this one you see here, and high-profit products where you can see profit up to 61% currently on this plant stand indoor. That's awesome how Doba's AI algorithm helps sellers access exact back-end data to help them make more money. Okay, so let's scroll up. Here you can see the AI Hub option. Let's click on it. This is where you'll find all the AI features that are integrated into Doba for new sellers to make the process easy and fast. If I scroll down, you'll see a new feature called AI Picker, which is absolutely amazing for new sellers. Look at this tagline: Next-Gen AI Sourcing, outsmart from step 1. Smarter sourcing, bigger profits. No prompts needed. Simply choose your niche and let our AI deliver instant, tailored results. Let's click on Try It Now. And this is the interface where we need to pick our niche. You don't need to know what products to search for. Just pick a category. Okay, so look closely here. First option is best-selling. If I click on it, it shows you trending products right now, and you can pick from here. Then there's high profit, which shows you products with the best margins, and rising stars shows you products about to blow up. Okay, let's say I want to sell beauty and health products. I click on beauty and health, and then I can choose subcategories like fragrance, makeup, skincare, hair care, healthcare, or sexual wellness. Let me click on makeup to see what AI recommends. See this product? Perfect Rude Blur Balm with a wholesale price of $6.46. AI is literally telling me why this product will sell. Now scroll down. Here's another one. Peach Pink Tinted Balm taps into the growing skincare makeup hybrid trend with a wholesale price of $10.34. AI is literally telling me why this will sell. It says this product offers high profit margins with fast delivery in just 3 to 5 days. Perfect for low-cost, quick-sell retail and beauty enthusiasts. So if I sell this for $25, That's a $14.66 profit per sale. This is insane. You're not guessing anymore. AI is doing the product research for you. Once you find a winning product, just click Add to Inventory List. That's it. The product is now saved in your Doba account. From here, you can list it to your Shopify store, TikTok Shop, Amazon, or eBay with one click. All the product images, descriptions, and pricing sync automatically. No manual work. This saves you hours of time. Okay, so now we've seen AI Picker, which is perfect for finding winning products in your specific niche. Now, if I scroll down, you'll also see AI Listing Migration. Now here's the feature that's a huge selling point. AI Listing Migration. Look at this. Seamlessly move listings across stores. This is a game changer if you sell on multiple platforms. Here's what it does. First, one-click transfer to other connected stores. No more manually copying product details from one store to another. Second, no copy-pasting, no manual edits. Everything syncs automatically. And third, keep all your stores synced with ease. Your inventory stays updated across Shopify, TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, and more. Now, let's scroll down and explore the AI Listing Optimizer. This tool creates smart titles and descriptions with AI. Look at this. Effortlessly optimize your Doba product titles and descriptions with AI, ready for multiple sales channels like Shopify, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. Let's click on Try It Now, and I'll be taken to my Doba inventory list page where I selected the recent makeup product. You can see it here. Let's click on Action and then click List to Store. Then I'll connect the product to my Shopify shop. And here is where the magic happens. Some people add product titles and tags manually, but we're smart because AI Optimizer finds the best possible title to get more sales on your product. Just hit AI Optimizer, and here you go. Select the best title from the 3 AI-generated options. Let's pick the first one. Also, I can go to the Description tab and use AI Optimizer to generate the whole description with full SEO. AI writes copy that sells. It's SEO boosted for better visibility, so your products rank higher on Google and marketplace searches. So instead of spending hours writing product descriptions, AI does it for you in seconds. And the best part? The descriptions are optimized for SEO, so your products get more organic traffic. This is perfect if you're listing hundreds of products and don't have time to write unique descriptions for each one. Now, let me show you VideoHub. This is a separate feature, not part of the AI tools, but it's just as powerful. Look at this tagline. See it, source it, sell it. VideoHub is where Doba gives you free video ads from suppliers and influencers. There are 3 sections here. Number 1, sourcing ideas. These are curated product collections with videos. For example, 8 viral Valentine's Day finds you must sell or top 6 hot-selling garden and outdoor products. You can watch the videos, see the products, and add them all to your store with one click. Number 2, influencer picks. These are videos from real influencers who are already promoting these products. Look at these titles. 5 high-profit products you should start selling right now. How to find viral TikTok products to sell in 5 minutes. Winning health and beauty dropshipping products uncovered. You can literally see what influencers are selling and copy their strategy. Number 3, supplier showcases. This is the best part. Suppliers upload free video ads for their products. You can download these videos and use them on TikTok, Instagram, or your paid ads. No filming, no editing, just download and post. Look at these products. Each one has a video ad you can use for free. This is huge because creating video content is the hardest part of dropshipping. Doba just solved that problem for you. And that's it. Doba AI finds winning products, migrates listings across stores, and optimizes everything with AI. Use my link in the description to get 10% off your Doba subscription with an exclusive coupon. Plus, you get a 99-cent trial to test all the features. It's a win-win. You save money, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your niche. See you in the next one. Peace.